Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Swati.
Ma'am, the environment in our school is quite comfortable, friendly, and creative. So, what is your mantra in creating such an environment?
Oh God, so you want all the secrets out today.
Of course, we all are curious to know that.
Okay, Swati, there is no rocket science mantra here. It's very, very simple. We are human, right? So, humans are organic. Learning and education is also organic. Okay, school is a human system. So, just creating the right environment, right climate is the mantra.
Could you please elaborate it a bit?
Okay, so I'll explain this with a little example. There's this place in America which is called the Death Valley. It is called the Death Valley for a reason because it is the hottest place in America and nothing grows there. But one fine winter in 2004, it rained. It rained so heavily there that in the spring of 2005, the entire valley was covered with beautiful flowers. So what does this mean? This means that place was never dead. It was just lying dormant with seeds of possibility deep down there. So similarly, in a school, we have all seeds of possibilities embedded deep down in our students as well as our teachers. So when we give them the right environment, right climate, that means we give them opportunities, we allow them to be creative, then there is no looking back.
Right. So, how have you managed to do that in our school?
Well, in my entire career of teaching, I have realized that leadership was never about command and control, it was about climate control. So, once you control the climate, you give the conducive climate, then sky's the limit.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah.
So, what is your message to all the teachers out there?
So, to all my teachers, my colleagues, my message or my understanding is that there are two kinds of teachers. Some teachers teach, but the others, along with teaching, they motivate, they provoke, they stimulate, and they engage the students.
Right.
When they do that, the learning happens. Teaching is about learning. And when learning happens, only then the correct education happens.
So, to wrap it up, what would you say?
Well, I would just put a question to you. There's a beautiful quote by Benjamin Franklin. Means is that there are three categories of people. The first ones are immovable. They will not budge.
Absolutely.
They will not change whatsoever. Okay? They're happy where they are. And the second category of people are movable people who understand that there's a need for change and they will change, they will listen. And the third category are the ones who bring out the movement, who move. Now, where do you stand? You have to introspect.
Thank you. That's
Thank you.
great.